This is a early Bally Star Trek pinball machine that I'm borrowing, and I'm trying to find out if I can create a custom soundboard for this, and it looks like I can. I've got the soundboard tapped in with my Arduino, which I'm watching the 5 command lines from the MPU. There's 4 bit lines, and then there's an enable line that I'm reading. Very similar to the Squawk and Talk and Sounds Plus vocalizer boards that I've done in the past, except for these are just 4 bits, not 8 bits. The sounds on this machine is very similar to an EM. The sounds are primarily based on scoring, not so much what you hit on the play field. If you hit something on the play field that is worth 1,000 points, you'll get the 1,000-point sound. If you hit something that is 200 points, you'll get the 100-point sound twice. If you hit something that's 5,000 points, you'll get the 1,000 sound 5 times in a row, and so on. This game does have some tunes it plays, one during the coin up, one at the start of the game, one at the end of the game, and one when you exit the out hole or the saucer up here. But the rest of it is primarily all based on scoring, not so much the modes. What's interesting is that since I'm watching the 4 command lines that also go into the solenoid board, I can also track what solenoids are being triggered on the play field, and I could potentially attach sounds to those also. So I've got my computer hooked up to my Arduino, and I'm monitoring the sound commands and the solenoid commands. Let me clear the screen here and start a game. So solenoid 2 fired, and then this is the hex commands for the tune that was played at the start of the game, and then solenoid 9 fired. So let's hit a 3,000 target, and that gives me the 3,000 sound 3 times in a row. Let's hit a pop bumper. Pop bumpers are 100, and there's a solenoid for that pop bumper. Let's hit a different pop bumper. That one's solenoid 5 and the 100 sound. There's some 10 pointers. Let's drain the ball. We've got 3,000 showing on the bonuses. So there's 4 of the 1,000 sounds, and then the ball ejects for ball 2. Let's go into the out hole. So that was the out hole, 3,000 points. There's the out hole tune, and the eject for the out hole is solenoid 8. Then it hit the pop bumper number 6 and gave me another 100 points. Here's one of the drop targets. That one's worth 600 points. There's the ball number 2. And let's hit a few more things and drain for the final time. That was the final bonus, and that was the end tune at the end there that played out.